Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. I am here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, where I'm about to go inside the Ripley's Mirror Maze. I'm super excited about this. I love me a good maze. Mirrors just sound like they'll make it even more exciting. Okay, it's the Ripley's Mirror Maze. Woohoo! Here we go, guys. I am super psyched. We actually have our ticket and some special glasses that we're gonna put on. Okay, guys, and then we're gonna get some of these gloves right here. So we're going in and we have some special glasses here. Whoa, it makes everything look really weird. Okay, I see like 12 of everything right now. Okay, we have a glove and wow. Okay guys, this is what it looks like normal, but look at this. This is what's happening when I put on the glasses. This is wild. See how it makes everything look like it's double? Oh gosh. Okay, so just so you guys know, I can see like 12 of you, and I think I found our first mirror. Yep, that's definitely a mirror, guys. This is gonna be really hard. And I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be demonetized because there is so much music playing in the background, so if you're hearing music, just ignore it. I'm gonna put my own music in here, so let's hope for the best. Okay guys, this is hard. Oh, and this moves. Okay, so this moves. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Wow. Okay, it's moving. Okay, there's more. Whoa, we're in like a spinning. Oh, we found a way out. We found a way out. Okay, wait. Did we really find a way out? Okay. Okay, baby. Let's see. Woo. Okay, no, we did not find a way out. Okay, this is so trippy with these glasses, guys. So trippy. Oh, we're back to the spinning thing. Okay. Hey. This is fun though. Okay, here's another one. Woo! Here we go. Whoa! That place over there is insane. Please tell me that is us. Okay, so this is a wall, and this is not a wall. Oh gosh! Let's go toward the fun light. I want to go this way. You guys can see without the glasses. And if you'll notice, I found another wall. Oh no! No! I normally would film this with my bigger camera. It didn't happen today. Oh my gosh, I'm walking into a kaleidoscope. This is what I was seeing with the glasses. Next level. Like, I feel like I'm literally in a kaleidoscope right now, guys. This is crazy. But I also don't know where the exit is. Oh no. Here we go again. Okay, I had to take the glasses off to see what this looks like, really. This is amazing. Yeah, this is fake right here. Wait. No, that's not fake. Okay. That's fake. I'm telling you, these glasses just make it so hard. Okay. I think this is fake. That is fake. Okay. So, this is fake. Okay. Guys. This would probably be hard enough without the glasses. The glasses add such a challenge. Okay, here we go. We have an opening. I see an opening. Okay, wait, that's an opening too. There's an opening that way, I think. Yeah, okay. So this way. Oh, guys. We're just gonna feel as we go. We're leading. Oh! Oh! Sorry, guys. I ran you into a mirror. Oopsie. You have a better view than I do. I'm wearing the glasses, so you know that means that I can't see anything. But you can. This is the mirror. Okay, cool. There's the mirror. This way. I think the problem is with this, you literally see yourself everywhere. Okay, let's see. Definitely. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I think I found it. Is this it? We found it, guys. We found it. Awesome. Okay, seriously, the glasses make it like insane. Like, I feel like a certified crazy person now. Like, legit. Okay, guys, that was insane. The difference between glasses and no glasses was crazy. I literally felt certifiable with the glasses because it like made everything in like triplicate. So weird. But now that we are finished there, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I have had a wonderful time here in Gatlinburg today, and I hope you have too. If you did enjoy this, make sure you leave a like on this video and also subscribe and check out all of my fun Ripley's content while I'm here in the Gatlinburg area. I'm gonna be posting videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays like always, so keep your eyes open. Bye, guys.